In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roccat Swarm software. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Roccat Swarm download. And then if you go to the first website over here, which is from Turtle Beach, support.roccat.com, and it says downloads, let me show you this. So in some cases, it may happen that even though you are on the website, even though you're under downloads, you're not seeing anything over here on this website. And in case this is happening to you, let me show you how to fix it. But if you can see the downloads over here, I'm going to show you how to do and how to proceed next in just a few seconds. So in case you see a white screen, you want to go out, and instead of the first thing, you want to click on installing Swarm 2. So this one, click on that. And then from here, you will have to scroll down a bit. There we go. So just scroll down until you see step 1, download Swarm from this page. Click on this page. It will take you to their support over here. And then you want to click on downloads again. And over here, it now works. So you want to click search for product and you want to type in Roccat. There we go. And then you will have different products. So if the first website worked for you, it will look similar to this. And you can just type in Roccat and then you want to click on Roccat Swarm. And over here, you want to select your operating system. So it's going to be whichever version of Windows you have. So for me, it's going to be Windows 11. And then you simply want to click download over here. And then this will start downloading to your computer. Now, once that's downloaded, you can then just start using it on your computer. So what you'll essentially have to do is you will have to go to downloads, and inside downloads, you will have a folder which you will have to essentially extract. Now, this is going to download over here in a second, and let me show you how to do it. And meanwhile, if you're actually not looking for this product over here, but instead you want to install this one, so the, one second, let me go Swarm, there we go. If you want Swarm 2 over here, you can, of course, instead of Roccat Swarm, click on Swarm 2, and you can, again, just select the version of Windows, and then click Download. So it's up to you. The installation from here on is exactly the same. So once this downloads to your computer, over here, it will have a zipper on it. Right-click on that, and then click Extract All. Click Extract. And then after a few seconds, a new folder will be created, which now does not have the zipper anymore. Open that folder. In here, you have the roccatswarm.exe file. You just want to run that, go through the installation process, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.